Hey loves, welcome to my sophomore year dorm tour. I know this is super late, but better late than never. And just to, give you guys a heads up, I am staying in phase 3 singles apartment on campus. It's really like off campus, but like on campus, but it's like in the back of campus, but it's still part of student housing. So yeah, it is a single, which means I have my own room. There are 2 bathrooms. Me and a roommate share a bathroom, and the other 2 roommates share a bathroom. We do have a kitchen and a living room area. So let me know if you guys would like to see the full apartment tour in the comment section below. But without further ado, let's get into my dorm room tour. Alrighty, you guys. This is my room. Starting off with this mirror that I have on the door. This is my favorite element of my bedroom, you guys. I talked about it so much in my dorm haul. I will have that at the end screen of this video if you guys missed it. But next to the door, I have this little picture wall frame thingy. Well, it's not really a picture frame. It's more so of a little light up picture frame board. I don't really know what to call it. That's what it is. But I don't have any pictures up, but I do keep my room key and car keys on here on my lanyard. I had the same one since freshman year, and I don't plan on getting rid of it. But right under that, I have my little mini fridge of all my little personal things that I want to keep in here, like my little high-C cups, my butter pecan Haagen-Dazs ice cream, and I keep a little snack bin up here. I'm not really too crazy about junk food. I also keep my vitamins in here. But we do have a kitchen, so I just keep all the stuff that I don't want to share in here. That's basically what that is for. And then right next to it, we have my closet. And I'm not too crazy about these doors, but it's a pretty decent sized closet if you ask me. I only have my summer clothes in there right now because all my winter clothes are under my bed. But I do have 2 hooks on these doors to store my hats and some of my bags. Now when you open the doors, this is how it looks. I need to do my laundry, that's why my closet is a little empty. But at the top, I do have some shopping bags that I use as storage, and my 2 bins up there that I use as storage. I keep the rest of my purses and like toiletry items up there. And I like to keep my caddy and towel and washcloth that I'm using at the moment in my closet, because I just feel like it's a lot neater rather than having it out and about in your room. And I keep my little mini ironing board in between it from, keeping it from touching my clothes. And yeah, just to show you guys up close how deep or how far the closet room goes. It's a pretty decent size. You can fit a lot in here, especially if you guys invest in hangers like this, like I said, to keep, multiple items on them. Then I have my dirty clothes hamper right under it down there, and a shoe rack. I need to get another one because I have way too many shoes out. And then right next to the closet, I have my favorite area of the room, which is my makeup desk area. I do have 2 little canvas arts on top of it, super cute. And you guys, this is the exact same little mini makeup vanity desk from my freshman dorm tour. It is from IKEA. It's actually a dressing table, and it does have red interior in the inside, but for the most part you're not going to see it, which is why it doesn't bother me too much. And I do have my same ottoman from last year from Bed Bath & Beyond. I keep all my nail polishes and just nail kit stuff in there. So this is basically like my little beauty area. And if you guys remember, these 2 little makeup brush holders are from my dorm haul. Like I said, I will have that at the end screen of this video if you guys missed it. And then right next to it is my bed, of course. Check out my new bed skirt. Shout out to my mom. She really, inspired me to use this. I was trying to incorporate more black into my color scheme, and what better way to do it rather than using stripes. So I really thought this was a great addition to my room, and I really like how it came out. And these pillows are from Kirkland's, the sleep in one. The K one is from Home Goods, And the one that has the Mean Girls quote on it, "You're like really pretty," is from At Home. And if you guys remember me talking about the message board that I used as a headboard, this is from Home Goods, and it really turned out beautiful. Like, the design on it just complemented the gold elements in my bed, which I thought was beautiful. And I really like how I did my wall art this year. I decided to add 2 pieces next to it, which is the 2-stripe canvas arts right next to it, because I only had 3 last year, if you guys remember seeing it. And I like how we decided to put it in this arrangement, because last year I wasn't, you know, too crazy about it, but this one looks better. And then right next to my bed, we have these cute little storage bins that I decided to spray paint. Believe it or not, both of these have all my hair products in it. Hair tools, hair scarves, products, you name it, literally in both of them. That's how many like hair product items that I own. I have to have those. And then on top of that, I have my Bible and 2 picture frames, a stationary little notepad, and my remote to my TV. And then of course my little standing stool to help me jump in the bed, because if you guys have never met me in real life, I am extremely short. So I have to basically jump off that little thing into the bed. But let me show you what's under the bed. Okay, so under the bed I have my dresser that came with the room. Of course, all my pajamas are in there and stuff like that. And I also have one other bin. This is like my face masks, my lotions, skincare stuff. I keep that under here. And then behind it, I have my comforter bag, all my suitcases, and an extra backpack under there. This year I did a lot better with having more storage space and just, you know, being smart about where I store things. Like I said, I have all my winter clothes under there because all my summer clothes are in my closet. And this is the purpose of having a bed skirt. You want to keep all that hidden. It just makes your room a lot neater without all that being visible. That just looks super tacky. And then of course I have my little rug right here next to it, which really complemented the entire color scheme that I chose, which is gold with the polka dots, black and white with the stripes, and pink with the rug and comforter. Okay, moving on from my nightstand, I do have some curtains up. Shout out to my mom for making this beautiful little runner to go on top of it, and this cute little accent piece in the middle of the curtain is so cute. I love it. And this really just complements the bed because the runner that's up there is the exact same fabric from my bed skirt. So my mom was the mastermind behind that, and if you guys can peep, the little pillow she made in the middle also came from the same fabric as my bed skirt. And then right next to the window we have my desk. I do have my TV up there and all the little same elements from last year, like my gold K. And if you guys remember that pink jewelry box, I kind of spray painted it a little bit and made it gold. And then I added some bins, and I keep all of my, you know, of course, notebooks or notepads in here. And I keep all my textbooks out in sight so I don't forget them when I go to class. And right here is one of my favorite elements as well, and this is a picture by my girl Kyra Chardane. I will list all of her social media in my description box below, so you guys can reach out to her to see if you can get yours made. Just how like great is it to wake up and see a picture of yourself? Like, I will insert a picture that she recreated right next to this so you guys can see how talented she is. Make sure you guys support Black artists, okay? Because this is bomb. And then right next to it, I have my backpack on a command hook. You want to make sure the command hook can hold however many pounds. Like, I think this one was 5 pounds. So I do make sure I unload my backpack because I don't want it to be too heavy and then yank the command hook off the wall. But I do store it right there so it can be nice and neat over here. And just to show you guys, we are right back at the door. But right under my backpack, I do have that little bin that I showed you guys in my dorm haul, and it is filled to the top because I'm getting ready to film a try on haul for you guys. But yeah, I just keep most of my packages in there, and it's just another, you know, little storage bin. But that is basically my room tour, you guys. It's not too big, not too small. I think it's the perfect size room. It's so cute. My dad loves to call this a little igloo, but I call it my palace, aka my home away from home. So let me know what you guys think, and let me know if you guys would like to see the full apartment tour in the comment section down below. And that pretty much concludes my dorm tour, you guys. So this is my sophomore dorm. Hope you guys liked it, and I will talk to you guys in another video. Bye.